Welcome to Murchison Falls. This is the most powerful waterfall in the entire world. Yeah, you're not going down in a kayak in this thing. You would die. Let's go take a look at it. Getting another view from it. We're going up the steps right now. You can kind of see the power of this thing from across the way. So powerful. Look at the glory of that. That is awesome. You can't really understand how powerful it is until you're right next to it. But it is amazing. I'll get you another shot.
That's why you stop with the boat. But the boat don't go beyond that point because of the current. Current is very strong.
Current extremely strong.
Yeah.